Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be opening the second box of the eevee's box thing we opened last time. I have another one here, this one. So that's what we're gonna open because each box comes with two. And last time I only opened one, and we're just looking for the good stuff right now. You know what I'm saying? So let's enjoy some quality time. It's my first time making a video in the middle of the night, so kind of tired. Okie dokie, let's begin our hunt for an alt art Umbreon. So each box has a total of 36 packs, I believe. And here they are. Mix them up a little bit. Boom, bam. Bam, bam. Okay, let's get the first one. So how's everybody doing on this beautiful day or night or whatever time of day it is where you're from? So there's a Japanese card right there, one to the front. We got a moon, a spider, a Zumero, just kidding, I don't know who that is, and Didi, Persian, and that's it. Great first pack. Look at that. Off to an amazing start. So we got everything we need here. I'm just super tired right now. I'm sorry if I have no emotion in my voice, but it is what it is. We got our sleeves right there. Okay. Did I do the one to the front? Oh, yes, I did. Haha, Rapid Strike, a Zumero this time, Panda Boy, another Spider Egg, and we got this. This Shadow Puncher. I don't know who that is, man. I don't know who that is, but we got him. We got him, everybody. Okay, next. Next up, we got another pack. This is the third one, 29 to go. One to the front, turn it around. We got a trainer card, bigger panda, another spider. Last, oh, electric eel man. Last but not least, another Persian. 3 packs and nothing so far. What could be going on around these parts of town? So, what the heck is this? One to the front. Turn it around. Leaf lady. Eevee. Bug. Rip my boy. You know who we talking about. Last but not least. Ooh. Sylveon V, baby. See? Got him ready right here. Turn this bad boy around. Put that baby in there. Bam. First good card of the day. So, I was thinking, I don't know what these mean, man. Anybody tell me what these mean, please? We got a trainer, Pokeball, Smeargle, Lava Thing, Rotom, and big electric Noodlefish. Next pack. What do we got here? Another one. One to the front. Here we got that. Here we got another fish, a plant, a Voltorb, and oh, that's it. Cool. So far, we got Kaka. Let's get something good on this one. All right. Boom. One to the front. We got that. Big Panda. That one, this one, and that one. Nothing yet. But we shall prevail. For it is our duty to find the alt art Umbreon. There's an exploding man, electric fish, spider, last but not least. Ooh, a full art fat boy. Ain't that what we're looking for? Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. We were not looking for you, but we got you, so whatever. Whatever. We'll take you. Pretty sure we've gotten that card already, but it is what it is. Sandgast. Fly. Voltorb. Mudkip. The Sandgast. And another trainer card. Wow, a lot of trash. Lots of trash. It looks messy in here. Okay. Next, pack. Boom. Open this. Take that out. Throw that over there. One to the front. Trainer card. Yes, indeed. And we got Fish Boy. Ooh. Ooh. All right, last card is Vaporeon V. Vaporeon. Pretty sure we've gotten all the evolutions, all the V's, I believe. Because the box comes with a promo card. I forgot which one. But we got most of them. We're getting there. Rotom, Smeargle, Spider, Pinsir, nothing. Next. Open that up. Oh, come on. Take this out. Just kidding. One to the front. Ooh. Oh, y'all saw that one. So, I like this, you know. I like this art because the original one is Smeargle. And he's rubbing his nasty ass tail through the ground. And just, they use the same design for other Pokemon that are walking through here. Those are Smeargle's big old feet. So we got Indeedee, Mudkip, and Glaceon VMAX, baby. Zam. Look at that. Now that's a card we have not seen. I like that. I like that art. Bam. Number 25 out of 69 cards. Got him. Okay. Next. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Boom, one to the front. We got Mudkip's evolution, Slugma's evolution, beautiful Pikachu, and a panda. Oh, and an Entei. Hollow. Yes, sir. Beautiful card. What a beauty. Take that down. I don't know how to open these anymore. Okay, open this up. Take that out. One to the front. Kangaskhan. Weedle. Slugma. Fish. And a trainer's card. Look at all these. There's just so many cards that come. Just common cards. You know, so many of them. What am I supposed to do with all these cards? Okay, open that. I keep forgetting how to open them. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. One to the front. Trainer card, the full art guy we just got. Then we got Meowth again, Sandgast, Fish. Ooh, Leafy is here. Leafy is here, boys. All right. Next up, we got Destination. Another pack. There we go. That's how you open them. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Slugma. Ooh, now we get another good one. Flareon V. But yet we know we do not see Umbreon Alt Art. But we get this cool rainbow Flareon V card. Just good enough for me. Got that. Open this. Open it all the way. Take the cards out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Persian. Eevee. And ooh. Last but not least. Wow, VMAX. Wait a minute. Oh no, we got, yeah, Glaceon VMAX. I'm pretty sure we got another one. Oh no, it was the V version. Pretty sure we got this one last time too. So I'm pretty sure that goes all our chances of getting Umbreon Alt Art. No. Still a good card. Still very good. Still acceptable. There we go. It is 41 out of 69. Triple rarity. Rengeku. Next. Come on. Come on now. Boom. Bang. Turn around. One. Plant. Last but not least. Booyah. Hollow. Booyah. Good stuff. Open this bad boy. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Boom. Monkey Man. Panda Boy. See that? Now we got another Pokemon there. Zoomerang. Trainer card. Good stuff. I'm pretty sure we're out of luck here. Let's see what else we get from these. One to the front. Boom. Bam. Bing. Bong. Whoa, who's that? Who's that swole boy? Ichigeki. Alrighty. Oh, don't fall. So to speed this up, ladies and bugs, we shall do, okay, 3, 4, 5. We'll keep these to the side and we'll play a little game after. So let's open the remaining 5. The regular, put that to the front. Okay, water noodle, fly, marrow, and trainer's card. Good stuff. Open. Bam, bam, bam. Trainer, Mawa, Slugma, Pikachu. Ooh, Swampert, Hollow. I like that one. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, next. Bam. Turn it around. I don't know his name, man. Or that one. Or this one. But we got a trainer card at the end. That's cool. Next pack. 1 to the front. Trainers. Plant. Sand. Fox. Bigger sand. Last one before our game of adventures begins. Here we go. Open up, open up. That one just bounced back. Another bounce back. Trainer. We got a fish, an eevee, a Voltorb, and a hollow Zorora, I think. I don't know. Okay, let me fix this real quick. I gotta keep them organized. Can't be having piles of Pokemon cards everywhere. There we go. Put this right there. Now, let's play a little game. Without editing my videos, this is easier, more believable. So we put one to the front. We will take the rare card from the back and place the rest right here. So we don't waste any time opening it one at a time. We could just do all 5 at the same time. Come on. Okay. Open that up. Here we have that one to the front, rare card. Bam. Then we open this one. Open up. Bam, 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 bam. Last one. Last pack for this booster box of eevee Heroes. Let's take a look at what we got in the common. Boom, bam, bing, bang, boom. Nothing good. Same old. But here's where it gets interesting. Pinsir. Ooh. Hollow Raichu. I like that. Next. Nothing. Last card is another hollow card. So yeah. We lost our chances of getting the Alt Art because we pulled all these. Well, the V's don't really matter, but this fat boy ruined everything. And then we got 2 VMAXs. So that's why it all went to hell. But let's open these 2. Because they're just, I just have them there. And I just need to open them. Onto the front. Nothing, 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 nothing. Nice. Okay. We have not gotten anything good from these bags. Ever. Ever. Why? Nothing. 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 And nothing. Why? Why must you do this to me? Ah. One more. Just why not? Boom. Turn it around. Bang. Boom. Bang. Nothing again. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate all your support. Have a wonderful night. Peace.